Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a challenge. I don't know if anyone's done this on YouTube yet, but I found it on TikTok and I just thought it was really cool and fun, and the girl who did it turned out really well for her. So I'll put the video in right now so you guys can see it.
Here's a new makeup challenge. Get your favourite palette and number generator. The first number you get has to be your crease. The second number has to be your lid. The third number, your lower lash line. The fourth, your inner corner. Use this audio to show what you make.
So basically she has like a number generator and a big palette, and then she generates a number, and whatever that is, it coordinates with where she puts it on her eyes. So the first number we get is going to be the crease, the second number is going to be the lid, the third is going to be the lower lash line, and then the fourth is going to be the inner corner. I've not very high hopes. I don't think mine is going to turn out half as good as hers did, but I'm using a big palette. I'm using the James Charles by Morphe, so we have a better chance of some crazy colors because this has 39 colors in it. So I have a number generator pulled up on my computer, and let's get started. So the first number is going to be my crease, and that number is 12. So the 12th color is, oh gosh, it says bright red right here. So I'm gonna do that in my crease. I'm just gonna grab this brush right here, this fluffy brush, and I guess we're putting this in our crease. Oh god, I don't know how this is gonna turn out at all. I hope something. Okay, so I've never used this red before, obviously, because I have no reason to use it, but it's very pigmented, so good job, Morphe. Okay, let's do the second color, which is going to be the lid. Okay. 38. So that's this purple right here, and I guess there's landscapers here right now if you hear that. Okay, so we're gonna do the lid color in the purple. I hope this doesn't, I don't know, I feel like it could be okay. Okay, let's see. Oh gosh, I honestly have no idea. Okay, it kind of looks, honestly, it kind of looks pretty, not gonna lie. Ish. This needs, I don't know, I don't know. Okay. Okay, you can't see that good on this camera, but it actually looks kind of pretty, so I'm surprised. Okay, I'm just gonna add like another layer so it's more pigmented, because the purple is just not as bright as the red, but I'm kind of liking it, not gonna lie. I usually don't experiment with colors in my eyeshadow, so this is kind of fun actually. I usually just do like basic whatever. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then let's see what we are doing for our lower lash line. 27. So the lower lash line is going to be like this blue, navy blue, purpley color. So I will grab an eyeliner brush and do that. So I don't even know if I'm going to do this right, but you know, we shall see. Okay. my god, I like it. Okay, I don't think you're supposed to go like your full lash line. I think you're supposed to do halfway, is my guess. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, and then let's do the other side. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Whoa, okay. 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 And then our last number for the inner corner is 7. So I think that's more of a neutral color. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, this works out great. This is number 7, which is what I use for my inner corner already on most days. So I just do my inner corner with my finger. Sorry if that makes you cringe or whatever. My hands are clean. And let's do that. Whoa, I like it. Ugh, I wish you could see better on this camera. Okay, I'm gonna go do like the rest of my makeup, like foundation and concealer and mascara, and then I'll show you what the end product looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like with, you know, mascara, and then I just did eyeliner on my waterline because I thought it looks kind of weird to have the lash line done but nothing on like my waterline. It was just empty. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually kind of impressed. It looks pretty cool. I think it like reminds me of like a sunset or something. I don't know, but I'm very excited because it actually looks good. I did not think, I thought it was gonna look like someone just like threw up on my eyes or something, but I like this challenge. It was fun, and whoa, I'm like so impressed. Definitely not something I will wear every day, but you know, good to have in the back pocket. This was so fun. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.